In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an event in Skool Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right event, open its settings, and permanently remove it without confusion. I'll also share a few quick tips so you can avoid deleting the wrong item and keep your calendar clean. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Skool. When the results load, click the official Skool website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and looking for a secure connection. If you use Skool often, this is a great time to bookmark the page so you can get back to it quickly later. Once you're on the site, log in with your usual credentials. If you have extra security enabled, complete that step as well. After you're signed in, you'll land on your community or dashboard view. Next, head to the Calendar tab. You'll typically find it in the main navigation, either across the top or along the side, depending on your layout. Click Calendar to open the full schedule view. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that you're in the right workspace or community where the event was created. Now, locate the specific event you want to change. You can browse by month, week, or day. Use whichever view helps you spot it fastest. Click directly on the event to open its details. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one by checking the title, date, and time. If you manage multiple events with similar names, this quick pause can prevent mistakes. In the event pop-up, look to the top right corner and click the pencil icon to open Edit. This takes you into the Edit window where all the event settings live. If you don't see the Edit option, you might not have permission to change that event, so make sure you're using the right account or have the necessary role. Inside the Edit window, find the Delete Event button. It's usually located at the bottom left. Click Delete Event to start the removal process. Skool will ask you to confirm before anything is finalized. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete again to permanently remove the event. Keep in mind, this action can't be undone. If attendees were invited, they may receive a cancellation update depending on your community settings, so it's a good idea to double-check that you're deleting the correct item. That's it. You've successfully deleted the event from your Skool calendar. Before you close the tab, scan your calendar to ensure everything looks right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.